Hello everyone. Today we are here as usual in a private showroom for upholstered furniture production. This factory specializes mainly in brands like Poliform, Minotti and Fendi. Today we're visiting this showroom with Ekaterina. Ekaterina is an amazing professional in her field and our partner, a representative in St. Petersburg. Ekaterina is an architect and designer at the design studio Modular.
Yes, thank you.
You're welcome.
For the invitation.
And today, Ekaterina will share her impressions of this factory from a design perspective. Katya, we've already had a quick look around the showroom. Tell us your impressions. What do you think?
I'll even show you. Wow. Well, that's if I were to put it in just one word, you know? Because I have seen all these brands in the original, and now I am seeing copies, but I do not even see copies because I see originals. Can you imagine? And, well, it is definitely a total wow effect. I actually have goosebumps. Basically, in short, I didn't expect this. Quite literally. You know, if I hadn't been shown the originals first, I'd probably say, oh yeah, I guess that's what the original looks like. But I'm comparing them, and I realize that I can't even tell them apart from the original. Anyway, let's go. I'll show you in more detail.
Let's go.
Well, first of all, these materials are absolutely fantastic. This is natural stone, and it's a single slab. So you understand this is 2.5 meters, I think even 260. Underneath the tabletop, the materials used are absolutely fantastically pleasant. In this specific case, it's just a high-quality gloss, but sometimes it's fabric or even velvet, and when you touch it, you're like, ah, that's so cool. The chairs move completely silently, and all the stitching is just so precise that you could measure it by the millimeter, and, well, you won't find a single flaw anywhere. The wood finish is just truly, genuinely fantastic. The Chinese are really great at processing wood. Look, even the parts that no one ever sees are finished in the neatest, most precise way possible. Just take a moment to look closely at these incredibly well-crafted wood joints. Simply perfect. This is the famous sofa, which is known as the supermoon. It has such very smooth shapes. Here we also see natural stone, which is very neatly integrated into the structure of this whole sofa. And they're incredibly comfortable. The ergonomics are just fantastic because naturally these are patterns from Italian factories, so it can't be uncomfortable. By the way, at this factory, all the furniture is handmade. Can you imagine how much individual work goes into every single piece? And that's exactly what makes all the items so detailed and precise. And yes, I think that no, I actually do not just think so. I am absolutely convinced that you really have to go and choose the items you need for yourself, because that is truly the only way you can sit down, feel the softness. You can even choose the specific level of softness you prefer and check that even the parts you cannot see are neatly finished. You should check every hidden spot and choose the materials all over again. Because if you want, for example, a different sofa in another color with a different stone, here at the factory, there is a huge selection of stone slabs that you can choose from. You can simply say, I want this one or I want that one, and they will use that exact piece for your custom sofa. We can head over to the showroom to pick out the perfect stone slab. We can also choose a different fabric. For instance, this is the same sofa as the light one we just sat on, but shown here in a trendy olive shade. A different natural stone is used here. It's a different sofa shape, but it's the same collection. And yes, it is worth noting that you should really consider going to China, actually, not just for global cost savings, but primarily for the trends and those incredibly interesting solutions that simply do not exist in Russia. This is because there aren't even the production facilities available to execute such a wide, diverse variety of design options. And right here, I found my favorite table. It's Minotti. Here, I really love the striking combination of geometry, the combination of, airiness, yet balanced with these monumental forms. Look at how beautifully all of this is laid out and just how highly aesthetic and refined it's all made to be. Here, remember I said, right, the finish inside under the tabletop can be leather or velvet. Here, the leather is very soft. It's also very well done, even though we never actually see this spot. But for example, a girl in tights will definitely appreciate it. This table, despite being made entirely of natural stone, looks so light, chic, and very expensive. Love it. I'm moving in here. And just look at how incredibly well these gray chairs in this specific shade pair with this table. Honestly, I won't even mention that the stitching here is absolutely perfect. They move so smoothly, and they even feature a really convenient return effect. Whoop! And it's back. Kids love to play around on chairs like these, but besides all that, these chairs are incredibly comfortable. You even forget that you're actually supposed to eat and that you're at a dining table. Well, let's take a look at another really cool sofa model. This is a high-quality copy of a Flexform sofa, and for me, it is truly one of the best solutions for modular furniture. And yes, this sofa isn't crooked as it might seem to you. I arranged it this way on purpose, so it's clearly understood that every part is a module. This sofa consists of such a variety of different shaped modules that you can assemble a model for any room. You want it rectangular or you want it to have a slightly curved shape. Different modules. Moving on. How can this sofa be customized? Firstly, both the upholstery and this piping here can be different, meaning it can be a contrast, like here on this sofa, and that's exactly what highlights this specific shape. But the piping and the upholstery can also be the exact same color, right? The sofa can be made in leather, in any fabric you like, and in absolutely any color you can imagine. And the sofa really combines, for me, this incredibly pleasant softness of these plush pillows with a very distinct formal strictness in the edging. Look here, it has a sleek metal base, and these specific parts are finished in leather in this particular case. Of course, you can use fabric instead, you can use natural stone, and this detail can also be changed in color to suit your space. Just imagine how much customization is actually possible for this sofa. It is truly designed to be perfect for just any taste and any color preference you might have. And yes, let me show you a cool story. This is the original model, which the factory specifically purchased just to take it apart piece by piece, study it, and then recreate the same thing, only significantly better. And here I have found a truly stylish interior designed for men. Just look at these two armchairs featuring such elegant classic upholstery. This classic pattern is called houndstooth, and just look at how incredibly cool they look when paired with natural stone. Actually, this upholstery is a real classic of the genre. Here, the natural stone is made so that the seam is not visible at all. It looks like a very thick natural slab. By the way, there's velvet inside too. Well, the camera probably won't fit in there. Believe me, it's really cool. And here, the composition is beautifully completed by this striking leather sofa, which is truly as brutal as possible, yet remains just as convenient and comfortable as you could want. And with that same coffee table in the middle, another matching sofa completes the look. If we're aiming for a feminine interior, for example, this sofa is perfect because it's definitely for girls. I really like the combination the designers chose here. Notice the fabric finish. It's a beautifully thick matting, very much like natural stone. Take a moment to look at the delicate tones, which are perfectly matched to the natural stone's own palette. This section here is crafted from premium nubuck, accented with leather and finished with a sophisticated leather trim. In short, there are several materials at once. And just look at how truly aesthetic the whole composition becomes when you mix several different materials together. Maxim, could you please walk our clients through the process and explain what a furniture tour actually looks like?
You send us your design project. We do a preliminary calculation in 2 price categories, business and premium. Next, we meet the client on Zoom, present this calculation, and answer all additional questions. After that, we sign a preliminary contract with the client. The client pays a deposit of $2,000. We then transfer these funds to the factory. Our tour is free. $2,000 is needed to fix the tour dates. Then the client flies to us in the city of Guangzhou. We meet them in a business class car.
Or we go together.
Yes. Either you alone or you and the client fly to Guangzhou. We meet you in a business class car with a driver in a shirt. You're met by a staff member who accompanies you throughout. From that moment, a tour guide, a procurement specialist, and the operations director start working with you. Well, that's the head of the China office, the head of sales, and myself, respectively. Then, a logistics specialist and an accountant join in to handle the actual customs clearance of the cargo. Next, you travel to the city of Foshan. The tour lasts for 3 to 5 days. You stay in the city of Foshan. Over the course of 3 to 5 days, whether working within or outside your design project, you will visit many different factories and carefully choose exactly the items you need, like building materials, flooring, wall panels, plumbing, cabinet furniture, upholstered furniture, and so on. By the end of the tour, you'll have a final specification ready. Usually, we try to get it done by the end of the tour day. By the end of the tour, we aim to ensure you have the final specification in hand. If we don't, it's about 2 more days after the tour is already ended. Then we sign the agreed upon specification. The client pays 50% of the cost of the goods. When it comes to cabinet furniture, we always take the extra step to create an additional project at the factory where the client chose their furniture.
Based on theirs, for instance, you can create your own version.
Yes, that is exactly right. So once you have arrived, you get to choose the materials we will use, and then we create another project together with the factory team and our designers. Next, once the cabinet furniture project is approved, our staff comes to you for the final measurements. This is a very important step.
Where do we do this? Moscow and St. Petersburg?
Moscow, St. Pete, Kazan, and Krasnodar. For large projects, we can send staff or our assembly team anywhere, even abroad. We take final measurements, finalize the project design, and then begin production. On average, the entire production process takes about 2 months. Upholstered furniture is faster, but we allow 2 months total. Afterward, our staff visits the factory. Once goods are ready, they inspect everything and provide photo and video reports. We send it to you, but we also check it very thoroughly ourselves because we'll be the ones assembling it at your place. This is a very important point. Then we proceed to make the second part of the payment to the factory. After that, we take everything to our warehouse where we insure it, pack it, and prepare all the necessary customs documents. Finally, we load it into a container, send it to you, pick it all up from the warehouse, and deliver it directly to the client. If it's a country house, we usually deliver it right in the container. The container is opened, we take out the goods, move them to the rooms, and perform the actual assembly. If it's an apartment, we reload the goods into small gazelle trucks depending on the height and the residential complex. Then we bring it to the site and complete the entire assembly there. Both cabinet and upholstered furniture, though upholstered is just installation. Basically everything related to cabinet furniture and doors, we install ourselves. As for building materials, we just ship them and deliver them to the client's address.
All that's left to add is that you need to walk right in, bring your toothbrush along with you, and basically you're all set to live there.
We do that too. We, including our...
That's what you do.
No, you make it beautiful. So your task is that we can also order any decor, any furniture. It can be really cool, but if there's no taste,
Well, yeah.
If I were to do a design project, I'd probably do a bad job, even though I've worked with designs for over 6 years on a regular basis. And I have a very high level of visual experience.
But it doesn't work just by looking.
100%. Yeah. And that's why you give us a design project and we bring it to life. You've provided it in this format. Our job is ensuring everything matches the picture exactly. Importantly, when working with us, clients typically gain 3 main benefits. First is working with a single company that provides a full turnkey service. Complete coordination with all the factories and installation at the client's location. Second is the wide range of products. That is, within China, you can produce 95% of what I see in design projects. And thirdly, in this specific case, our clients also save up to 30%, but we work in the business and premium segments. Our target audience is clients who can afford high-quality furniture, good building materials, and who can afford Italian products. But A, they don't have any free time, so that's why we do everything turnkey. B, they, like other people, know how to count, right? They don't want to overpay for Italy, or they realize that, like Alina said today, a kitchen costs 5 million, while with us, 5 million furnish the whole house. They get a much wider range of products and high-quality goods, but for less money. So it's perfectly logical. Plus, they don't have to deal with all those processes because we handle everything ourselves. That's our target audience.
Thank you, Maxim, for providing such a detailed explanation of how we'll be working with our clients moving forward, because from now on, we'll be doing it together.
Ekaterina is our official representative in the city of St. Petersburg, and we collaborate on various projects together. It's always a great value and a pleasure to work with professionals. Dear friends, please subscribe to Ekaterina's channel today. Ekaterina also organizes design tours. That's very important.
Yeah.
Ekaterina runs design tours.
Designers really need to come here.
Yes, very important. Through our design tours, we, along with Ekaterina, help you take everything you've seen here and implement it directly for your clients, especially if you're a professional designer. If you have your own personal projects, or if you need to furnish your home or perhaps another property like a restaurant, please feel free to send us your design projects for our expert review. We'll be happy to do everything we can to bring your dream project to life.